Let's say you were to draw two cards in succession from a deck of cards without returning the first card drawn. Without returning the first card. So in your first draw, the possibility of drawing a card that was a heart would be 13 over 52. Because there are 13 cards that are hearts out of 52 cards in a standard deck of cards. And the possibility of drawing a non-heart would be 52 minus 13, which would be 39 over 52. On your second draw, if you drew a heart first in your first draw, the possibility of drawing a heart again would be 12, because you would subtract 1 from the numerator, the total number of hearts, over 51, because the total number of cards also decreased by 1. While if you drew a heart the first time, the chance of drawing a non-heart the second on your second draw would be 39 out of 51. Since the total number of non-hearts stayed the same, but the denominator decreased by 1 since the total number of cards in the deck was reduced by 1. If you drew a non-heart first, on your second draw, the possibility of drawing a non-heart would be 13, because the total number of hearts didn't change from your first draw, and over 51. And the total number of non-heart, the total probability of drawing a non-heart and then a non-heart again would be 38 out of 51 on your second draw. The combined probability of these two events or multiple events would be, if you drew a heart first and then a heart the second time, the probability of that happening would be 13 over 52 here, times the probability of getting a heart in the second draw, which would be 12 over 51. That would be 0.059. If you drew a heart first, then a non-heart on your second draw, the possibility of that would be 13 over 52 here, times 39 over 51. That would give you 0.191. If you drew a non-heart first and then a heart the second time on your second draw, the possibility of that happening would be 39 over 52 times 13 over 51. And you'd notice it would be the same as drawing a heart first and then a non-heart the second. 0.191. If you drew a non-heart the first time and then a non-heart the second time, the possibility of that happening would be 39 over 52 times 38 over 51, which is equal to 0.559. What's neat is, if you add this, you'll get 1. If you add this, you'll get 1. If you add this, you'll get 1. And then if you add all the possibilities here, combined probabilities, you'll also get 1, because these are the two only probabilities for drawing a heart or the non-heart on your first draw. And then for your second draw, these are the two probabilities of drawing a heart and the non-heart. Same here. And for the combined probabilities, these probabilities are the only probability combinations you can achieve. So all of their probabilities combined would give you 1. Thank you for watching this video.